Hi everyone, it's James here at YNC Car, bringing the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car, and I'm going to talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. We're going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior details and features. The exterior of the car is presented in the marvellous Melbourne red on this vehicle, and as you can see, that really does go very strikingly well with our YNC Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. This vehicle is a 2017 plate, so it does also have that facelift as well. So we get facelifted headlights, tail lights, and a few interior tweaks as well. Not only that, this vehicle does come equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack. So of course we do inherit the much larger front and rear M-brake option, Harman Kardon, and of course the privacy glass as well. Alongside that, we have the fantastic 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, and they come in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and again, sitting against that Melbourne red, they look incredible as well. All the way around, we have got the premium mixed run flat tyres. Down the side of the car, we have got the setting side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and Mperformance decals. Now on the interior of this vehicle, we have the black Dakota leather, which not only has the heated seat function thanks to that M Sport Plus pack, this vehicle has a wide array of other features on top of already a very nicely spec vehicle. So as you can see there, we have the electric function. It also has the memory for driver's side, and I'll give you a glimpse of that Harman Kardon surround sound as well. The rear seats on a 4 Series Coupe is a 2x2 Isofix seat arrangement with a centre folding armrest and a centre storage tray. Being an M Sport model, we have a very nice black headlining as well. Moving on towards the rear of the car, you'll also notice our new style of diffuser that we're trying out here at YNC Car. This is very similar to an Mperformance M4 style rear diffuser, and it definitely sets out from a more aggressive style. And sitting with those more aggressive facelift rear lights definitely makes for a more aggressive look at the rear of the car, and I personally think it suits the Melbourne red very nicely. So opening up the tailgate now, the luggage capacity on the 4 Series is one of the largest in its class, and of course, owing to the fact you have a split folding seat function, is a especially large space as well, and we do have underfloor space as well. And you'll also see that very nice high gloss rear boot spoiler as well. Once again, we'll just take a second or two to appreciate how well these two colours do work. And again, I'm going to quickly show you off the 704M alloy wheels, and of course those very nice M brakes, which of course are not only larger, they do offer a higher performance brake output owing to the fact of the compound of brake pad that you use, and this nifty little trick that BMW use of this aluminium top hat here to keep the weight of the overall brake pad and brake disc arrangement down. Of course, having a larger brake disc can often mean being a heavier disc, however, using that little nifty trick there really does keep the weight down as best as possible, and that really just gives you a sign of how well engineered BMW vehicles are. Power fold mirror function as well. We've also got the extended storage feature as well. Moving on inside, where the toys don't stop, we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen. So we'll show you a few functions and features of that. There is of course the navigation function. We've got DAB and a wide array of multimedia functions as well, including music collection, USB and AUX. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. The vehicle comes with dual climate control. I've already mentioned the heated seats. This is where the switches are situated. And if we click to My Vehicle, we can take a look at the vehicle service requirements and status of the car. It's not due a service for 14,000 miles, owing to the fact it has only covered just over 18,000 miles, so another nice low mileage example. This little button here will activate the high beam assist. It also comes with the 190 brake 2-litre diesel engine, 8-speed sports auto, and situated under the leather armrest we have the wireless charging tray, and as you can see, I've placed a device in there just to show you that in operation. So you simply slide a device in there and that will charge up for you, eliminating that pesky need to pop a horrible USB device into the cigarette lighter charger there. And of course that does mean it gives you the option for the front passenger or even a rear passenger to still charge from the provided USB slot just there, which I think is a fantastic option, because it does mean You don't have to have one of those horrible things lying around, and it does eliminate the need for so many wires being in the vehicle. And of course that is the aim of today, to have less wires everywhere. That is what everyone is trying to get. One last feature to show you on this fantastic looking 4 Series. So if I take the key out with me, I'll just quickly pop the side of the lights to automatic. I've got the key in my hand, as you can see there. I'm not going to click any buttons. This vehicle has the comfort access pack, so I simply place my thumb on the locking pad there, and that'll lock the vehicle up. I can also have the power fold mirror function, and the windows go up using that function. However, I'm not going to do the full thing, just for keep the video length down. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. And there will also be a link to our website down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.